Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today I just got a quick little video. I did these nails the other day. I did whack them on my nail rack when I was putting the polishes away. I didn't realize I had grabbed a top coat, but it wasn't a fast drying top coat, so ignore that. But anyway, yeah, it wasn't a fast drying, and I thought it was dry, and of course it wasn't, and blah. So but I posted a picture of this Manny on my Instagram, and Aussie Mommy said, I hope you recorded a video for this, and I'm like, no, I didn't. So I'm doing it on a nail tip today. So on this base I used Sally Hansen Insta Dry. This one is Wisteria. That is the base. And I also used Purple Heart. I don't know if it's stand up. So Purple Heart, Sally Hansen. I used Vivid Violet, Sally Hansen. I used Sally Hansen, Silver Stallion, and my Sinful Colors White Wisp. Yeah, so that's what I did. You can use whatever color you want. You can do like different color schemes. You can do like because what I did was I basically did like 3 shades of purple. So you could go 3 shades of blue, 3 shades of green, 3 shades of yellow, whatever your little heart desires. You can do this look with. So, and then just add, I find you can do white or black. I kind of like the white, and then I would go like either a silver or a gold. So gives you some options, tons of different looks with this. So I'm just putting some purple down, the Purple Heart, and then some of the Vivid Purple. We'll do those first. I just got it on a little piece of tin foil. See, this was my color palette from the last time. And I just take a striping brush. This one is my Nailstuff brush that has my name on it. And this, whoops, get it in camera. It's a longish kind of striping brush. You can use a smaller one, whatever you're comfortable with. You'll need some acetone to clean off your brush between colors. So I've got my acetone in my little dampen dish, and I have some paper towel to wipe it off. So I kind of saturate my brush, oops, a little bit, and then basically I just kind of go wispy. Now you can go from the bottom up, like from the free edge. You can go from the top down. It's up to you. And then just put lines on. I go halfway down the nail, and then I clean off my brush. You can do them thick lines, thin lines. I kind of try and do a mixture. So I'm just kind of saturating my brush again. Get a fuzzy on it. Of course, probably a little puppy hair, because those little beasts shed. They shed like mad. So that one didn't go down very far. It's different doing it on a nail tip versus doing it on myself. So I just kind of go in between. And let's add some white. Actually, I'll do the silver first. So yeah, you can do it either from the top down or bottom up. It's pretty much up to you. I try not to do too much. If I covered some of the colors up, I can go back in again. Oh, and white. Just get some white out. Go too far, not a big deal. So I think maybe I'll add a little more of the dark one. Don't forget to do your sides. Oops. So there you go. So now, and then once it's dry, I would top coat it, and it'll smooth out the line. So let me just sit for a second, and once it's dry, I'll come back and top coat it and show you. One moment. Okay, so I just have my, this is not my Sally Hansen, this is my Sally Hansen, not my SE. Just because I changed the bottles because I like the SE brush. So then I would just come in and put a nice generous top coat on here. Cap free edge, and voila. See, and it smooths out the lines by putting a top coat on. You know, like when I first started, I didn't think top or base coat would matter too much, but once I figured out with the top coat, it smooths the polish out. It's way better now. So there you have it. So super quick, super easy little design. You don't have to have a whole lot of talent. And it's great to practice your lines. So I hope you like this design, and yeah, it is super versatile because you can use whatever colors you want. I just went with purple because purple's one of my favorites, but I generally try and pick a light, a medium, and darker, or like 4. So 1 for the base, and then 3, colors, and some white or black or gold or silver, and it makes it look super pretty. Anyway, I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe, and yeah, love you guys. Thanks for hanging out with me while I do a nail for you. Okay, and remember, be someone sparkle. Bye. What kind of bag?
And they have only 2 players of their full roster who are not in plus. They're a really good 5-on-5 team, and that again lead country. So we need to make sure we are on ball and go into that game knowing full well it will be tough.